Hello friends, this is Imran here and presenting you the weekly market outlook over here, where we are going to discuss how Nifty as well as Bank Nifty is looking purely from technical perspective. At the end of the commentary, we will provide you two stocks which has the possibility to outperform the broader market. So here is the daily chart of Nifty. You can see that the market is into a lower top, lower bottom formation. In the current week, the market has lost almost 2.53%, or in terms of points, it has lost 462 points in terms of weekly. On a weekly basis, major selling was seen today itself, where the market has lost almost 320 points. From short to medium term perspective, the market is below its 10 days, 20 days and 50 days moving average, and almost near to 100 days moving average, which is signifying that the trend is on the downward side. As of now, the market is somewhere near to 17,806, which is almost around 100 days moving average. However, the momentum on RSI is weakening, or it is almost near to 30, which is indicating that the market may further drip down up to the next support zone of 17,500 to 17,550. Let us see on weekly charts how the market is looking. On weekly chart, we have witnessed 3 consecutive red wicks or negative wicks. On trend line basis, also the trend which has initiated from 15,200 or 15,183 has came to an end almost at 18,887, and from there we are witnessing a selling pressure. Probability of coming down up to 17,500 to 17,550 seems to be higher. The RSI is also signaling or drifting on the downward side, which indicates that the medium to short term trend is on the negative side. Key support for Nifty is placed at somewhere over here, that is 17,550 to 600 level, and below that at 200 days average, that is 17,200. On the higher side, now 50 days will act as a major supply zone, which is at 18,200, and above that at 18,450. So what could be the possible strategy or how to trade the market in such a scenario where the volatility seems to be quite high? Since the market has given close below its most of the moving average from short to medium term perspective, a further next round of selling pressure might be seen somewhere, which can drift down Nifty up to the zone of 17,550 or even 17,200. So till the time the dust does not get settled, let us wait and watch for the long position, or you can say that somewhere from the support zone of 17,500 a minor pullback rally might come due to the short-term oversold nature of the market. Now let us see how Bank Nifty seems to be looking. So here is the daily chart of Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty seems to be outperforming Nifty on the downward side. You can say on a weekly basis, Bank Nifty, on a daily as well as on a weekly basis, Bank Nifty has also seen a phenomenal selling pressure. It is trading below its short to medium term moving average, which is indicating that further downside is quite higher. Next support for Bank Nifty is coming somewhere around the zone of 40,500, and below that it's somewhere around over here, that is 39,000. On the higher side, key supply is placed around 42,950, or you can say 43,000 level, and above that at 43,650, that is means this candle's high. So Bank Nifty seems to be entering into an bearish territory itself. Chances of taking support around 100 days moving average, which is somewhere in the zone of 40,500, seems to be higher. Now in the near term, we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market in such a bearish scenario. So let us see this both stock. First one is Suven Pharma. We have seen that in the current week, Pharma was the only sector which was outperforming the broader market. So here is the daily chart of Suven Pharma. We can see that it's a clear inverse head and shoulder or reversal type of pattern with a record high volume, which we are seeing. It is in the short term, it is trading above its 10 days and 20 days moving average. The chances over here we can see seems to be on the higher side. Trend is strongly on the positive side for this particular pharma. One can go long on mind or dip somewhere around 490, 496 is the closing price. And one can keep a stop loss of 470, which is coming over here, that this is the low. It has major support of 20 days as well as 10 days over here. And on the higher side, this stock has the potential to move up to the mark of 550. This is the swing supply zone for Suven Pharma. Another stocks which seems to be on the bullish side is Usha Martin. So Usha Martin, you can see on the daily chart, it is in an VCP type, that is volatility contraction pattern, and making higher lows. In this current week, we have seen a phenomenal attempt to surpass the major falling trend line of the upper triangle line, but unsuccessfully it has came down. However, the volume seems to be in the red candle quite low. Chances or probability of breaking upside seems to be quite higher for Usha Martin. Even on the negative day also, it has given a positive close, which itself is an indication. It is trading above its short-term moving averages 10 days, 20 days, 50 days, 100 days and 200 days. One can go long with a strict stop loss placing around 130 zone, that is over here. And this stock has an upside potential of 170, that is this previous swing high. As of now, it is trading somewhere around 144. One can go long in the zone of 140 to 42. So friends, that's it, and this is the current view for the market as well as for the stocks. Thank you very much for joining us.